Exercise 30. In the system of equations above, m is a constant. For what value of m does the system have no solutions? Okay, so we have, although it was given in a strange way, we have a system of linear equations. The first one is 4x plus 3y equals 18, and the other one is 80x plus my equals 18 again. We know that a system has no solutions, a system of this form, ax plus by equals c, and a prime x plus b prime y equals c prime, if a over a prime is equal to b over b prime, but at the same time, these two are different than c over c prime, then it doesn't have any solutions. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. And look that a's are the coefficients of x. So 4 over 80 is equal to 1 over 20. Then b's are the coefficients of y's. This means that 3 over m should also be equal to 1 over 20, from where we can see that m should be 60 with a quick cross multiplication. And obviously, 18 over 18 is equal to 1, which is different from both of them. So overall, this shows that in order for that system to have no solutions, m needs to be equal to 60.